In today's lesson, we are going to look into a research feature in Claude. This is a similar feature to what ChatGPT has and NotebookLM has and pretty much every other LLM has. So research you will find here in the toggle on in the plus button. And then you can add it. So when to use research? I use research when I really want to do like a comprehensive research of a topic, of some sort of an interesting idea I have, when I want to validate market demand. For example, you get an idea, like I usually do in the middle of the night. I was like, wow, wouldn't that be an incredible business opportunity? And then you go to Claude and you're like, okay, I really want to do some comprehensive research on that. So let's give an example. So let's say you are in a kind of creator space, or you create a lot of content and you want to understand like what is the trends of like how the creators economy is evolving, what is the trend in the trust when it comes from the audience towards a brand, and things like that. So you just want to not only ask Claude in a chat like, yeah, what do you think, and it would search the web and then it will give you some like extracts from some articles, but here it will be more comprehensive. It will take more time. It will quote sources and you will just have a very good report back. So let's try it out. Hi Claude, I want to research the evolution of creators' economy, especially for educational creators. I want to assess the potential of this 2026 and forward. I want to understand what are the trends and shifts in terms of trust and building audience and building personal brand. Also, what are the opportunities there specifically for educational creators? What are some underlooked strategies that people are using to to give value and build an audience that really trust them and love their content? And what are some of the revenue streams opportunities within that? So go ahead and research. Thank you. And here it wants me to ask, and here it asks me if I want to enable the connectors. And I don't think I need that, so I'll just toggle those off. And what is happening now is Claude starts spinning off a team of agents, right? So it activates the research agent. It's not something that I've created, by the way. So it's purely the Claude's research agent. And it just starts creating a plan. Okay, how am I going to approach this topic? Like, what is she actually trying to get from it? Like, what is the context? So, and you can see already by the interface, it's very different from interacting in chat. So we have the first results. As you can see, it's been 6 minutes. And it keeps working, so ideally you just wait till it's done. But right now I'm so eager to show you basically what it's creating. So the biggest difference, you already see it. It analyzed over 500 sources. Now we see what kind of sources it analyzed, and here we can actually see the report, right? So it's a comprehensive report here that breaks down, especially for educational creators, because this is what I ask for, because this is what I'm doing. It gives me really good information. You will never get this from a chat, from Claude or ChatGPT, whatever. So this is the power of research feature. And it says that, yeah, it's really good news here, the growth of it, the card, how the trust is evolving, what is the human premium, and you can see there's all the sources that are quoted here, the platforms that matter the most, revenue streams for educational creators 2026. Yeah, so this is an incredible way to do research. If you're starting a new project, if you're doing research for your clients, if you're providing services, if you are just there's so many use cases within this. But if there is something that requires some in-depth analysis, like some intelligence, like truly analyze the sources and see what's out there and have it reliably, this is your go-to feature. Play around with it, pick a topic and see what comes up.